Hello team, welcome to my session. Today we are going to cover about the DHCP configuration. As you all know, DHCP is the most important services running in the network, which is used to distribute IP addresses dynamically in our network for any network device. Today we'll cover how we can configure a Cisco switch as a DHCP server. So we are going to take this layer 2 switch 2960 and also will connect multiple computers together. In your switch we can see now our four interfaces are connected and they are up. Show interface status. We can see our four ports are connected and they are up, and also duplex mode is auto. All belong to VLAN 1. Okay, but instead of giving static IP to these computers, we will be configuring DHCP today. Okay, so in the DHCP configuration, as you must be knowing, we are going to define a network range which we will be using to distribute to the clients. But always keep in mind, in every network, if you are distributing IP to the host, definitely you need some IPs which you assign statically to your devices, like your routers, your switches, your printers, your storage, any kind of network device which people need to access remotely. Their IP should not change, they must remain same. So as you know, the DHCP services are dynamic. IP can change anytime, so it's better to take always one range from your network as the exclusion range. So first of all, we'll be configuring IP pool. First of all, you configure exclusion range, configure terminal, and as you know the command IP DHCP exclude address, and we have to give a range which we are using, and we will be excluding the range which will be using statically for the specific computers. For example, I want to exclude 192.168.1.1 to 1.50 IP address. 192.168.1.50. This IP I have excluded from the range which we are going to distribute, and we will be using these IP for the devices statically configuration, like the servers or other network devices, storage, printers, like this. That is exclude range. Then we have to create a DHCP pool. Pool is nothing, just a DHCP range which we will be assigning to our devices. IP DHCP pool, just give any name like pool 1, and then I have to assign a network which I want to use for the distribution network. So definitely we will be using same network as we have given in our exclude range, 192.168.1.0, and along with the mask 255.255.255.0. Then definitely you have to provide default gateway and DNS also to the client to whom you are going to give the IP address. So you have to give the router address also, default router. Say my router address is 1.1 192.168.1.1, and also have to give a DNS address. I can use also DNS server address. Same I am using here as a router address. It may be some other DNS server as well in your network if you are having. Okay, I am configuring here 1.1. Now this IP pool is configured and exclude range also configured. If you check here, show IP DHCP pool, it will show you the pool is basically assigned, and but now this switch will not distribute IP because we have not assigned any IP to a switch. So for this purpose we have to assign IP to a switch first, so that we it can start working as a distribute IP as can distribute the IP. So we have to define IP to a switch also. Here I am using interface VLAN 1 and IP address 192.168.1 dot, let's say 10 is my switch IP address, 255.255.255.0. no shutdown. Now if you check here, show IP DHCP bindings, till now there is no IP address assigned because now there is no client connected. If I go to my network and I go to my desktop, and in the IP configuration I just select on the DHCP, so it must obtain a IP starting from 51, because till 50 it is actually 1 to 50 is a reservation which you are using exclude range actually, but here you can say 51 is the first IP, and default gateway you can say 1.1 and DNS also 1.1. Similarly, I can go to another machine, it will go in sequence as similarly, it will be taking 51, 52. Now here you can say the 52 address. Again the third machine will be the 53, 192.168.1.53. Next machine is going to be a 54. So similarly it will distribute till 254 IP address. So you can see now, if I go to switch again, I use the same command to see the lease. You can see now 4 IP addresses assigned to, and their host MAC address is given. Okay, thank you for watching. That's it for the today's session. Kindly subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.